In this episode, we will write some short A words. The letter A has many sounds, but the short A sound makes the sound ah, like an apple. Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Let's get started. Write the word nag. Check your answer. Now change the N to a W. What word do you have now? You're right. You have wag. Now change wag to bag. Check your answer. Now change the B to an S. What word do you have now? You're right. You have sag. Now change sag to tag. Check your answer. Now change the T to an L. What word do you have now? You're right. You have lag. Finally, change lag to flag. Check your answer. Good job. You were able to write and read short A words. I hope you like this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.